A state senator says lawmakers must act after a KCRA 3 investigation. We uncovered a judge in Dorado County let a child predator go free before sentencing. And the senator says what happened next was entirely predictable.
I was extraordinarily angry that no one stood up for that little girl that came out and told her story.
State Senator Shannon Grove could not believe our investigation.
A man found guilty of sex crimes against a girl in Dorado County never made it to prison.
A judge let Carl Coconey walk out of the South Lake Tahoe courthouse the same day a jury convicted him in July of 6 felony sex crimes against a young girl.
12 jurors said this guy's guilty of 6 counts of sexually assaulting this beautiful little 11-year-old girl. And the judge lets him out? What explanation does the judge have for this?
Judge Michael McLaughlin released Coconey, who faced up to 18 years in prison, on the same $1 million bond he posted to stay free throughout the case. He was told to return 5 weeks later to learn his sentence. Instead, he vanished. Who screwed up?
Well, in this instance, that part was the judge did.
Dorado County District Attorney Vern Pearson says there is no question Coconey should have been taken into custody. He thinks California has become too friendly to criminal defendants.
In other words, we don't want to hold people in custody. We need to look at and give them every chance to be released from custody. And I think this is probably a byproduct of that type of mentality.
The victim, seen here at the time of the abuse, is now 23. She says the painful process to justice failed her.
Everything that I did just to get ready and mentally, it just kind of went right out the window.
That judge did not have the safety of Californians, the safety of this victim, or just releasing this individual into the community. No one knows where they are. He could be right outside this studio. We don't know where this person is.
Senator Grove says crimes against kids are simply too serious to leave to a judge's discretion. Does California really need a law that forces a judge to lock somebody up when they're convicted of child sex crimes?
It absolutely does.
The victim says she now goes to bed each night, scared her abuser can hurt her and her family.
I just have to live every day in fear because of this guy just is out there.
Well, the judge, Michael McLaughlin, says the judicial code bars him from talking about this case or his decision. The DA thinks someone is helping hide Carl Coconey and says those people, too, will face charges when Coconey is arrested. Now, if you have seen him, call 1-800-AA-CRIME. You can remain anonymous and collect up to $1,000 reward.